In this chapter, we study Unit 2nd Trigonometry Part C. Then, first question is evaluate first sine cos inverse of 3 upon 5. Let first upon consider sine cos inverse of 3 upon 5. Let cos inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to theta. This is first equation. Hence, cos theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Since if cos inverse of x is equal to theta, then cos theta is equal to x. Now sin theta is equal to root 1 minus cos square theta. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, hence sin theta is equal to root 1 minus cos square theta. Hence cos theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Hence 3 upon cos square means 3 upon 5 square. But 1 minus 3 square 9 and 5 square 25. Then 25 into 1, 25 minus 9 is equal to 60 upon 25 is equal to 4 upon 5. See, root 60 is 4 and root 25 is the 5. Hence sin theta is equal to 4 upon 5. Hence theta is equal to sin inverse of 4 upon 5. Because since if sin theta is equal to x, then theta is equal to sin inverse of x. This is second equation. Now sin cos inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to, this is equal to theta. So sin theta, since cos inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to theta, but by 2 theta is equal to sin inverse of 4 upon 5 by second equation. And sin inverse of x is the x means is equal to 4 upon 5. Since sin inverse of x is equal to x is equal to 4 upon 5, and sin cos inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. And so we get the answer. Then we give the next example. Example second. Example second. Sin pi upon 2 minus sin inverse of minus root 3 upon 2. Find its value. So first upon consider this sin pi upon 2 minus sin inverse of minus root 3 upon 2 and which is equal to sin pi by 2, but since sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse of x, and sin inverse of minus x is the minus minus plus sin inverse of root 3 upon 2, but since we know that sin of pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cos theta, means sin pi by 2 plus theta, theta is sin inverse of this, is equal to cos theta, means sin inverse of root 3 upon 2. Now we know that sin pi upon 3 is equal to sin 60 degrees the root 3 upon 2, and sin inverse of this is equal to pi upon 3. Hence this value is equal to cos pi upon 3. Sin inverse of root 3 by 2 is pi upon 3, and which is equal to cos pi upon 3, but cos 60 degree, since cos pi upon 3 is equal to cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, is equal to 1 by 2, hence this answer is 1 by 2. Hence sin pi by 2 minus sin inverse of minus root 3 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Then we give the third example. Give the third example. Sin, evaluate sin 2 tan inverse of 4 upon 3. Let first upon consider tan inverse of 4 upon 3 is equal to theta. Hence tan theta is equal to 4 upon 3. Now sin of this, sin of 2 tan inverse of 4 upon 3 is equal to sin 2 theta, because since theta is the this, since tan inverse of 4 upon 3 is equal to theta, but sin to theta is the 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, but here tan theta is equal to 4 upon 3, so put this value in this equation. 2 into tan theta means 4 upon 3 upon 1 plus tan square theta means 4 square is 4 upon 3 square. Tan theta square means 4 upon 3 square. Then Then 4 into 2 is equal to 8 upon 3 upon 1 plus 4 square is 16 and 3 square is the 9. Hence is equal 8 upon 3, 9 into 1, 9 plus 16 is 25 upon 9. Hence 8 upon 3 into 9 upon 25. Hence 3 into 3, 9 and 8 into 3, 24 upon 25. Hence this is the answer. Hence sin this is equal to 24 upon 25. Hence sin 2 tan inverse of 4 upon 3 is equal to 24 upon 25. Then we give fourth example. Evaluate sin inverse of 3 upon 5 plus cos inverse of 3 upon 5. Then let consider sin inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to theta. Hence sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5. But we know that sin inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of root 1 minus x square. Hence which is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square means 3 upon 5 square and sin inverse of 3 upon 5 which is equal to cos inverse of root 1 minus 3 square 9, 5 square 25 and which is equal to cos inverse of root 25 minus 9 is 60 upon 5 and which is equal to cos inverse of root 60 is 4, root 25 is the 5. Hence sin inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to cos inverse of 4 upon 5. This is first equation. Then we consider now sin inverse of 3 upon 5 plus cos inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal, but sin inverse of 3 upon 5 is the cos inverse of 4 upon 5 plus cos inverse of 3 upon 5 from 1. But since cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y is equal to cos inverse of xy minus root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus y square is equal to cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y is the cos inverse of x into y, means 4 into 5 into 3 into 5 minus root 1 minus x square, means 4 upon 5 square into root of 1 minus y square, means 3 upon 5 square, which is equal to cos inverse of 4 into 3 12, 5 into 5 25 minus root 1 minus 4 square 16 upon 5 square 25 into root 1 minus 3 square 9 and 5 square 25, and which is equal to cos inverse of 12 upon 25 minus 25 into 1 25 minus 60 is 9 upon 25 into 25 minus into 1 25 minus 9 is the 60 upon 25. But hence which is equal to cos 12 upon 25 minus root 9 is 3, root 25 is the 5 into root 16 is 4 and root 25 is the 5, and which is equal to cos 12 upon 25 minus 12 upon 25, 4 into 3 12, 5 into 5 25, then 12 minus 12 0, hence this answer is 0. But 0 is since cos pi by 2 or cos 90 degree is equal to 0, means cos inverse of 0 is the cos pi by 2 0 is the cos pi by 2, hence cos inverse cos cancel, and which is equal to pi upon 2. Since cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta, which is equal to pi upon 2, then hence sin inverse of 3 upon 5 plus cos inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to pi upon 2, which is the answer. Then we give next example. Example 5. Cos sin inverse of 3 upon 5 plus sin inverse of 5 upon 30. How to find out this? Let's consider sin inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to theta, and sin inverse of 5 upon 13 is equal to phi. Hence sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5 and sin phi is equal to 5 upon 13. Hence we know that cos theta is equal to root 1 minus sin square theta. Hence which is equal to 1 minus sin theta is the 3 upon 5 square, and which is equal to 1 minus 3 square 9, 5 square is equal to 25, and 25 into 1, 25 minus 9 is 16 upon 25. Hence cos theta is equal to root 16 is 4, root 15 is 5, 4 upon 5. Then this is first equation, this is second. Then we also know that cos phi, find out cos phi is equal to root 1 minus sin square phi, and which is equal to root 1 minus sin phi means 5 upon 13 square, but which is equal to 1 minus 5 square is 25 and 13 square is 169, and which is equal to 169 into minus 25 is 144 upon 169, which is equal to 1 root 144 is the 12, root 169 is the 30. Hence cos phi is equal to 12 upon 13. Now consider this cos sin inverse of 3 upon 5 plus sin inverse of 5 upon 13 is equal to cos here sin inverse of 3 upon 5 is the theta plus sin inverse of this is the 5, and which is equal to cos theta plus 5 is the cos theta into cos 5 minus sin theta into sin 5. But cos theta is the 4 upon 5 and cos phi is 12 upon 13 minus sin theta is 3 upon 5 and sin 5 is 5 upon 13. 5 5 cancel. 5 5. Then 12 into 4 48 upon 13 into 5 65 minus 5 into 3 15 upon 5 into 13 65, and 48 minus 15 is the 33, and 65 write down once is equal to 65. Hence This answer is 33.3 upon 65. Hence, cos sin inverse of 3 upon 5 plus sin inverse of 5 upon 13 is equal to 33 upon 65. Then we give next example. Next example, tan 2 tan inverse of 1 upon 5 and which is equal to tan. We know that 2 tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. Hence 2 tan inverse of x is the tan inverse of 2x, means 2 into x 1 by 5 upon 1 minus x square, means 1 upon 5 square. Then tan inverse of 2 into 1 2 upon 5 upon 1 minus 1 upon 5 square 25. Hence tan is equal to tan inverse of 2 upon 5 upon 25 minus 1 is 24 upon 25. Hence which is equal to tan inverse of 2 upon 5 into divided artisanal, means 25 upon 24, 5 and 2 into 12. Hence tan inverse of 5 upon 12, and which is equal to 5 upon 12, which is the answer. Since tan inverse of x is equal to x, hence tan 2 tan inverse of 1 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 12 is the answer. Then we'll give next example. Then we give next example. Example second. Find the principal value of following. If first theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 upon root 2. So first upon we have theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 upon root 2. Hence taking cos on both sides. Taking cos on both sides, hence cos theta, which is equal to cos inverse of this. दोन्ही साईडला cos घेतलं, then cos theta is equal to cos inverse of x is the x, so 1 upon root 2, since cos inverse of x is equal to x. The cos theta कोणत्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह असतो? हियर ऑल पॉझिटिव्ह, साइन, tan and cos. So all positive means this is first and fourth quadrant मध्ये cos theta is positive. Hence, but cosine ratio is positive in first and fourth quadrant. So first quadrant मध्ये cos theta so in first quadrant we have cos, which angle is 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2. Hence theta is equal to 45 degree. And in fourth quadrant we have cos 315 means cos 350 means 360 minus 45 degree, but cos 360 minus theta is the cos theta, means cos 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2. Hence theta is equal to 45 degree and theta is equal to 3. ते दोन व्हॅल्यू मिळाल्या are the two values of theta, but principal value is the smallest value. Hence theta काय येणार? Hence theta is equal to smallest value is 45 degree. Hence principal value of theta is equal to smallest of above two values. Smallest कोणती व्हॅल्यू आहे? is equal to 45 degree. Hence principal value of theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 upon root 2 is equal to 45 degree, or is equal to pi. 45 means pi upon 4 radian. Which is equal to 45 degree. Then we give second example. Find the principal value of sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So let's consider sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to theta, and sine theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Hence minus sign इथे घेतलं तर minus sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2. But cos 90 degree plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and cos pi by 3 means 180 upon 3 means cos 60 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Hence sin minus sin theta is the cos pi by 2. 90 means 180 upon 2 plus theta, and 1 by 2 is the cos pi by 3. Then comparing this value, cos and cos cancel, hence pi by 2 plus theta is equal to pi upon 3. Hence theta is equal to pi upon 3 minus pi upon 2. Hence 3 into 2 6, 2 into 1 2 pi minus 3 pi. 2 pi minus 3 pi is the minus pi. So minus theta is equal to minus pi upon c. But we consider theta means sine inverse of minus pi by 2, and which is equal to minus pi by 6. Hence principal value is principal value of sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is minus pi upon 6 is the principal value.